Pottingers.
Good morning.
Today we're doing 5.3 multiplying mixed numbers, and the I can statement is I can multiply mixed numbers. All right, we've got lots of words. Factors. Factors are numbers that help us do what?
Reduce fractions.
All right, mixed numbers. Can you calculate with mixed numbers?
No.
Can you calculate with improper fractions?
Yes.
Can your answer be an improper fraction?
No.
Can your answer be a mixed number?
Yes.
And we know around the world. Okay, here we go. Number 5, read it together. 1, 2, 3.
You must always convert mixed numbers to improper fractions before calculating.
This is really good so far. All right, and then to solve fractions, let's say we have a fraction like 1/2 times 3/4. We multiply what by what?
Numerator times numerator.
And then we multiply what times what?
Denominator times denominator.
And you know how to do that. Great. All right. Number 7, don't you dare ever find common denominators when multiplying fractions. Yes or no?
Yes.
On the count of 3, read that. 1, 2, 3.
Don't you dare even think about finding common denominators when multiplying fractions.
Good. I like that you're yelling at me. Good. All right. So number 9, I'm not going to spend a lot of time on these. Number 9 is a mixed number times a mixed number. What did we convert them to?
Improper fractions.
Improper fractions, and then you know what to do from there, right?
Yeah.
Number 10, same idea. We converted both to improper fractions before we started doing our math, before we started calculating. Number 11, I gave you 3 different ways to do the problem. We got 8 nines for all 3 of them, right?
Yes.
Okay. One of the things you could do when multiplying fractions is we could reduce early, yes?
Yes.
So if you reduce early, you could make your problem, your life, your math a little bit easier, yes?
Yes.
Number 12, again, I think Aspen told us this one. Can we reduce this early?
Yes.
So instead of doing 6 3/9 times 4 3/4, we did 6 1/3 times 4 3/4, right?
Yes.
We cool with all this?
Yes.